Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how to use Zoho Books. So, let's get started. Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting software that helps you manage your business finances, track expenses, create invoices, and generate reports efficiently. First, to start using Zoho Books, you need to create an account on Zoho Books by visiting zoho.com/books. You can sign up with your email or use your Zoho account if you already have one. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard, which is the main hub for all your accounting activities. The first thing you can do is set up your organization details. Click on the settings icon and enter your company name, address, currency, and tax information. This ensures that all your invoices, estimates, and financial reports are accurate. Next, you can add your clients and vendors. Simply go to the Contacts section, click on Add Client or Add Vendor, and fill in their details. This will help you quickly generate invoices or track expenses for each client or supplier. Creating an invoice is very simple in Zoho Books. Go to the Sales tab, select Invoices, and click on New Invoice. Choose the client, add the products or services, set the price, taxes, and payment terms. Once done, you can send it directly to your client via email. You can also accept online payments if you integrate Zoho Books with payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, which makes it faster to receive payments. Another important feature is expense tracking. You can log your expenses by going to the Expenses section, entering the vendor, amount, and category. You can also attach receipts for better record keeping. Zoho Books also allows you to generate financial reports such as profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow reports. These reports help you understand your business performance and make informed decisions. Finally, Zoho Books can automate recurring tasks. For example, you can set recurring invoices, automatic payment reminders, and recurring expense entries. This automation saves time and reduces manual errors in your accounting. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.